This is a video on how to assign activities to your students using Seesaw. Simply go to seesaw.com and then you're going to log in as a teacher. Once you log in, you simply just go to Browse Activity Library. Once you're here, it gives you lots of options. You can do trending searches, multiplication, main ideas, skip counting, money, partner read, kindness, winter, and so forth and so on. If you're new to this, you can just go here to the Get Started with second grade or whatever grade level you're teaching. You can do a build a community activity or fall favorites in second through fifth grade. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go to building classroom community in second grade. Under this heading, there are lots of activities that you can choose from. So I'm just going to scroll down until I see something that really pops out to me. Oh, this activity is really interesting to me. Me and my family tree. So once you decide to view an activity, you can literally click to hear what your students are going to hear once they begin the activity.
Me and My Family Tree by Joan Sweeney. Number 1. Watch and listen to the video of Me and My Family Tree by Joan Sweeney. Number 2. Use the label tool to use emojis to fill in some of your family tree. Number 3. Use the microphone tool to tell about your family. Number 4. Use the caption tool to give a title to your work. You can call it My Family Tree. Bye!
I love this feature because it lets you see and hear exactly what your students are asked to do. If it's something that you like, you can put a heart next to it. And if you definitely want to assign this to your students, just go ahead and click on share. And it'll ask you what class. I only have one class right now, so I'm just going to share it with that one class. And you're done.